How you doing? What year is that?
36.
Huh?
36.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
All right, take care. Good luck with your car.
Yeah, thanks. You too.
So apparently you can't even give wheels and tyres away these days. That's crazy. So I am giving away these wheels and tyres. Wheels are in great nick. Tyres, that one's okay, that one's okay, that one's a wee bit dodgy, that one's not so good. As I say, grand price of free. But apparently even that price is too expensive. Right, while we're waiting for the next lucky contender, I got a nice little letter sent, so let me show you what's in that. But first I've got some murdering to do. I've got a wasp in here trying to find a new home. Yes! God, I need to find it before it wakes up. Oh, there he is. Those of a nervous disposition might want to look away. Okay, where were we? Yes, as I say, I've got this letter. Let me show you what's inside. This is from Nate Jester, Heavy Pedal Garage. That's someone messaging about those stupid wheels. Okay, we have... Hey buddy, happy belated birthday. Here are a couple of my channel stickers for you. Enjoy, Nate. These are huge, Nate. I sent Nate a couple of my stickers and mine are really tiny. I feel really... Well, I definitely won out of this deal. I need to make new stickers. These are far better than mine. Anyway, link up there for Nate's channel. Really good stuff. He's working on a... What is that? Camaro? Trans Am? I think it's a Camaro. You know me, I don't know much about these cars yet. And his paint work and prep work, first class. So go and check him out, as I say. Link up there in the description as well. Right, let's go and see if the next lucky contestant has arrived. You know what? I do have a bonus item for someone who takes the wheels who actually has a focus and not just someone who wants to flip them. I have got this. Pretty much brand new passenger side headlight. I bought two for my son's car a couple of years ago, and as soon as I fitted them, he decided to hit a deer and smash one side of the focus, destroying the light. So kind of looked a bit goofy with one brand new one and one old one, so we put the old one back in. Anyway, as I say, hopefully the next person who comes and actually takes them has a focus and he can get the light for free as well. Otherwise I'll try and sell it. I think they cost about $140 for the pair. We'll see. John!
Not bad, you?
Good.
It's a nice truck, nice thing.
We're getting there. Winner! Unfortunately, he's got a 2009 Focus, so the headlight won't fit. So I guess I'll be putting that up for sale. Like $20 or something. I just don't want time wasters, you know? It's a nice wee truck, actually. So as you probably guessed, I'm trying to make space in my garage. The wheels used to live up there, so I've managed to get some stuff off the floor up to there. Now I just need to go through everything else and see what I can give away or sell. I'd rather give it away to someone that kind of needs it, rather than trying to make profit out of everything. But I don't want to just give it away to someone who's going to flip it. You know what it's like. Okay, where do we start? Oh my goodness. You know what we need to do? We need to make a new to-do list. So I think this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, not decided yet, we'll do a live stream and you can throw me some ideas and I'll mark them down on a brand new bit of cardboard or something. So first, I'll do a kind of slow-mo around the car so that you get an idea of what needs to be improved, replaced, changed, whatever. Follow me. These mirrors are garbage, but it's all I've got. No offence to pre-60s that I got them from, but they kind of need to stick out a bit further. I'm just kind of looking at that pillar. I kind of know what I need to do, but I'm going to leave it up to you guys. Let me know on Saturday or Sunday. No, I've got to tell you, I'm having to redo the whole surface of the car and get rid of the rust and then clear coat it again. Running boards need painted. Fenders need properly attached. I'd love bigger flashers at the front. I need rubber in between all the panels. These hinges need painted. Exhaust is a bit low. I'm saying nothing. Okay, let's have a look inside. Maybe a center console. Maybe something in the back. Oh, that's where I left my hoodie. So I will let you know Friday whether it's going to be Saturday or Sunday for the live stream. You never know, I might even do a little quiz with possibly a prize. Not sure about that, I'm Scottish, remember? Don't like giving stuff away. Oh, I can say that, I just gave a set of wheels away. Right, okay, I am going to go and do nothing. I'm having a day off, as you could probably tell. Except for killing bugs. And remember, check out Heavy Pedal Garage. Really enjoy his channel, you will too. I'm going for a wee drive. Take care, bye bye.